you have to watch the part you have missed. Okay, so here, invoice. Invoice is always sent by the supplier to the customer, right? Supplier to the customer. So you write next to it S to C, S to C. Okay, S stand for supplier, C stand for customer. The name of the sender is always in the middle on top. The name of the sender of document is always in the middle on top. Okay, so this time DIY is the sender, Abu Enterprise is the customer. Okay, DIY is supplier. So this invoice arises because customer bought goods on credit. Remember, whenever it is on credit, you must have invoice. Whenever the transaction is due with on credit, then you must have an invoice. Okay, you see these three are the things that Abu bought from DIY Enterprise. Abu bought from DIY Enterprise. And you see that there's a 5% discount here that has been deducted. This discount is known as trade discount. Discounts, you have learned it in part 3. You have trade discount, you have cash discount. Trade discount is for buying in bulk. Cash discount is for settling debt on time. Okay, but invoice should indicate that payment has not been made because it's on credit, right? So this 5% must be trade discount. This 5% must be trade discount, not cash discount. So after deducted 8.50 here, the eventual amount that Abu owes to DIY is this 415.5. 415.5. Okay, so finally, Abu owes to DIY 415.5. Okay, below here, you see, below the table, you see a 2.5% discount would be given if paid within 14 days from the date of this invoice. This is cash discount. Has this been given? Not yet, not yet. Okay, so this is cash discount. Now let's learn how to record this into book of prime entry. Remember, whenever you have documents, you must record into book of prime entry first. The first page of the handout, first you have transaction, then you have business documents, then you must record into books of prime entry. So when you have documents, you must record into books of prime entry. Okay, so on the same page below, you see that there are two sections, right? Left section, you are Abu. Right section, you are DIY. In exam questions, you could be the supplier, you could be the customer. Okay, so you must know how to record when you are in this both person's shoes. When you are Abu, it means that we are customer. When we are DIY, we are supplier. You are given this invoice, that means you record into the purchaser's journal. How should you record into the purchaser's journal? You have learned before. I've shown you all the books of prime entry, right? Through the earlier pages. Okay, page 49 especially. Page 49 especially. Okay, now let's record it. Okay, let's record it quickly. Okay, help me to divide the dollar column into two $2 columns. Okay, I left out splitting this dollar column into two. Okay, write the date. Begin with writing the date according to the document. 4th of February 2018. 4th of February 2018. February, don't write in full, just write the FEB will do. And take note, don't write the date this way. Okay, don't write the dates occupying 2 rows. You would not have enough space at the end. Okay, so even in the exam, squeeze everything into one single box. The year, the month, the day, squeeze into one single box. Okay, details, you write what? Write the name of our supplier. We are Abu, right? We are customer. Here details, you write the name of the supplier, which is DIY Enterprise. Okay, write DIY enterprise. Okay, write along with me. Is there trade discount according to the document? Yes, right. There is trade discount according to the document, right? The 5%. Okay, draw a dash, write goods. Next line, draw a dash, write trade discount. Draw a dash, write goods, draw a dash, write trade discount. Okay, begin with amount before trade discount, which is taking this, and this. Okay, the three numbers that I have highlighted in turquoise color. Okay, sum them up, 80 plus 170 plus 174. That is the total amount before deducting trade discount. Write it here, 424. You see where I'm writing, right? I'm in the shoes of Abu. We are Abu. We are customer. We are recording into purchases journal. Okay, the amount of trade discount, 8.50. Write it here, 8.50. In bracket, bracket indicates minus. So take the 424 minus 8.5, 415.5. Write it here, 415.5. That's the formatting of purchases journal. That's the formatting of purchases journal, 415.5. Okay, done recording into purchases journal. Remember, on the same day as February 4th, you are going to transfer this number to a T account known as DIY enterprise account. Okay, if you cannot recall, you need to refer to page 49. Okay, everything is stated clearly on page 49 about how to record into purchaser journal. Okay, everything is very detailed there. Okay, to the debit side or credit side, to the credit side. If you know the double entries, then you should know that we owe money to DIY enterprise, so we should credit and DIY enterprise account. Here, write purchases, follow with the same date. Okay, so that's how you record into purchaser journal when we are Abu. Okay, now on the right, we are in the shoes of DIY, where we are the supplier. So we record into sales journal. Why? The function of sales journal is to record credit sales, sell goods on credit, right? According to the first few pages of the handout, sell goods on credit, record into the sales journal. Okay, now quickly record this. February 4th. Here, write what details? Write the name of our customer who owes us money. You must have the ability to switch between one person to another person, okay, quickly. Okay, if you cannot do it, it will be difficult for you. Okay, you must know in this part of the question we are DIY. Just now that one we are Abu. Okay, you must be very aware, very alert about who we are. Okay, amounts are the same. Okay, that's the same amount O, right? 415.5. Okay, today we have a new student, okay, Celine Chu, okay. So she's the friend of the other three students here, okay. So Sarim, Shanice, and Laonia, you should know her, okay, from the same school. Okay, now transfer this amount, 415.5, to an account known as Abu Enterprise, because Abu Enterprise owes us money. We are DIY here. Right, 415.5 here. Write sales. Okay, write sales. 2018, February 4th, the same day. Okay, must write the same date. Okay, so everyone, when you're done with this page,